Hello teachers. Today I am going to discuss intermediate level C52. Space Tech, Blue Planet in Space Rotation. The class description is students feed their curiosity about the universe and its fact by creating a simulation of rotation of our planet Earth and associate change in days with it. The goal of the class is to create and enable animation using individual frames, understand the concept of frame rate in animation, associate the signs of days with Earth's rotation. Now, to begin this activity, first explain the rotation of the Earth and what phenomena it brings in. So, basically, one rotation of the Earth brings in the day and the night phenomena. So you can go ahead and explain it your way, and we have very nice visual aid slides that are available that will help you to explain the student the same thing. So here we have a character like Dodo, and the father is going to explain that how this entire rotation takes place, and how we count this rotation, how we say that the hours are these many hours are there, and this is how they are completing it. Um, the the phenomena. Now also take an example of the light in our case. So you can see then that when the Earth is rotating, look at that red sticker. So once it rotates, so on the side of the Earth that the sunlight we get. So that's the time when we receive the daytime, and the opposite side of the earth will get the nighttime because the sunlight is not there. So similarly, explain with the other slides that how this entire phenomena is taking place. Once you've explained it with the help of the visual aids, we are going to move ahead, and you can do a little revision also. You can ask your students that how do we create sprites, what are the steps associated with it. So you will request the student that we have to create three different sprites, which is a background, the earth, and the sun. Once they create the sprite and set the x and the y coordinates for all three, then they are supposed to also upload the animation. So with the set animation code block from the sprite section, we are going to set the animation. Let's check how in the class in the activity as well. So here I have created all the three sprites, set the animation. So the create sprite code block is right here in your sprite section as well as the set animation. Now once this is done, then we can bring in the function, the draw function, and also request the student to get the draw sprites along with it. Then they can click on run. Now once they click on run, this is the picture that they will see. Yes. So now, here it seems like that the Earth is bigger than Sun, but in reality, the Sun, is way too bigger than Earth. So that means we have to go ahead and scale it further. So again, you will get the scale code block for in the sprite section itself. So I've scaled the Sun and the Earth according to how I need on my screen. So here the scale blocks have been used. Now this will be the picture that they will get. Now once this is done, then here we need to go ahead and declare two variables to understand the day and the night phenomena. So we are declaring the days with the value 0 as well as the hours with 0 as the value. Now once we are done with this, then we are going to go ahead and snap in the frame rate. So from the world section, you can snap in the world dot frame rate. Also explain this to the student that what this code block will do. Now how how can you explain? You can just put your mouse pointer or hover the mouse over the block, click on see exam, and explain that what this code block will do. Once you have explained this, so once you've explained this, then you will move ahead with the draw function and use the sprite dot next frame block. So this will be this you will find in the sprite section. Again, you will hover the mouse onto the block and you can explain what this code block will do. So I'm sure this has been done previously also, but you can do it. You can revise it once again. Now, once this is done, let's move ahead. Now, it is asking us to show the incrementing hour by 1 on each frame. So, we are going to go ahead and assign the variable hour. So, here we have declared it. Now, we are assigning the hour and we will say hour plus 1, which will show the incrementing value. Now, once this is done, it says set the hour to 0 and the increment the day by 1 if the hour count becomes 24. So that means we are going to apply the condition that if the hour completes 24, okay, then we will assign the hour to 0. The value will change back to 0 and instead the day will be showing the incrementing value. Now, once all this is done, then we have to go ahead and use the drawing section to display the information on our screen. So, we have all these blocks, the text size, the text font, the fill color, the text as part of the drawing section. So here we want to display the information that one Earth's rotation is equal to 24 hours, which is 1 day. And we can put the X and the Y coordinate from for as to where do we want to display it on the screen. And we have chosen the font color, the text color as white. There is a font style that we have chosen as Tahoma, and the font size is 20. Also, the days and the hours when it is increasing, the count, okay, is running, then we want to display that information as well. So once again, we are using the text code block to display that information on the screen. So once the entire coding is done, students can click on run, and here my earth is rotating. This is the size of the sun as compared to the earth. Here is the information displayed that one earth's rotation is equal to 24 hours, which is 1 day. Now here my hour count has already started to increase the moment you click on run, and then once it completes 24, then you will see that the day count will change. Again, it will run the 24-hour, again the day count will change. So that is all what you have to do in this activity. Thank you, teachers.